behalf of the President and our Executive Secretary, thank you all for coming here in Bohol and those present in via Google Meet. So I hope that we will have a productive meeting this morning for the national interest with regard to food security and the progress of our farmers.
Together, let us strive for a stronger, more resilient, more prosperous, powerful.
On behalf of the provincial government of Bohol, I warmly welcome you to our island paradise, the country's first and only UNESCO Global Geopark regenerative island. For many years, our province has benefited from various irrigation system and reservoir projects implemented by NIA in different parts of the province. Thank you, NIA, for all the assistance, for all the projects, finished projects and incoming projects soon to be implemented. Thank you very much.
In this camaraderie night, I would like to emphasize the importance of sustaining the good that has been done in all our fields. Kung ano man yung mga nasimula na natin, we really have to work hard to sustain it. Thank you for being here in our province, and maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ninyo for our farmers, for our beneficiaries, our stakeholders, and most of all, we consider them as our partners for progress aligning with the agenda of our President, Ferdinand M. Marcos.